curly, kaya I'm trying to do it curly na talaga, guys. I'm embracing my real me.
She's embracing her real self while
Genau.
we are now gonna
Thank you so much po. I love it too.
we're gonna put the bell pepper while I'm cooking and you're chatting with my sister.
How young is your mom po? We have rushes today because it's already hot in Germany. Is it okay, guys, na while talking with you, I'm eating my brunch? Let me entertain you with my food. Oh, okay. Our mom is actually 85 years old and she's very strong and healthy. Oh, this month on the 14th. July. Y- July, yeah. Wow. So blessed to experience that year pa. So advance happy birthday po sa mom niya. Okay.
My
Actually,
phone blue.
what is my what do I do for a living in Germany? Firstly po, entertainer. Joke lang po yun, joke lang. Uh, we're actually nurse by
It's nurse.
profession.
It's
Mm-hmm.
nurse. Amy, nurse.
We're actually my husband and I are nurse in Nurse tuloy nurse. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Juan Carlos, you asked me to do anything, not just singing. I think I really don't have that beautiful voice. But
She's
let
not
me try.
me. She's not like me. On.
But let me try. A, B, C, D, E. Oh, di ba? Okay na po ba yun? Is it okay? Is it done? Sino po si Gorilla? I cannot read Japanese. Hello po.
Sweet sauce na.
Ah, um, Juan Carlos, let me sing a song for your mom in advance. Probably she would love it. Okay. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Zum Geburtstag alles Gute. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Ganun po yan. That means happy birthday.
Sweet, dagahang ang kamo talaga, sweet. You're not on camera. Turn off your camera and turn it on again. You are
Let me,
nakahang.
I'm sorry.
Just click on the video sa right side mo din, turn off video, tapos turn it on again.
I think I have a very good idea. I think I need a new cell phone.
Or you are not even moving at all.
I think I need a new
Just
handy.
turn off your video muna.
How do I turn? Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, but your video on static mode.
Uh,
Ah,
um,
John, is
Juan
it
Carlos, can you actually see me? Probably my sister have a bad internet. Hindi
1 minute?
ako.
Let me check in my other phone. If it's okay, then it's okay. Let me check my
Okay.
live.
I would also love to close the camera because I want
Ah,
to eat my food.
oh, sweet, it's okay. It's just from my side. It's okay. Turn on na agad. You can turn on your cam. You can turn on your cam. It's from my side, not yours.
My God, I have to. I'm eating.
Just turn it on while what? Let them watch you eat.
Oh no, I'm so shy. Actually, I'm a shy girl.
John, it's her first time to go on YouTube, John. I think
Hi.
you wouldn't believe me. Maybe next week I'm going to apply for her monetization already. By next week, she
But
can apply already.
but
No,
actually,
gonna apply. Gonna
mhm,
apply for her monetization.
mhm.
Yeah, I told her I'm gonna do her channel, and she got lucky. She got lucky to have a viral remix videos. Of course, I'm the one who did it. I was the
Mhm.
one who did all of it.
Thank you.